So I picked up another camera, DJI Osmo Nano, just because my Insta360 battery was dying and it was overheating. Now I want to test this out. Hopefully this is better. It has better quality specs, that's for sure. It comes with this little suction cup thing that you can stick on glass or real good paint. It's got a little cover guard for that, a little necklace thing, so if you want to hook to that and put it under your shirt. I bought this little case for like $5 just for when I transport. Also comes with this hat clip, which I'll use in this video. I bought 2 hat clips because it didn't say that it came with a hat clip, so I might send those back. But yeah, this comes off. It uses all the DJI mounts, you know, the quick connect, even on the base on the bottom. So you can literally put this together and use it as an action camera. You can face this either way, so if you want to look at a selfie or whatever. So yeah, I want to see how it looks zooming in, what the audio sounds like, and what the basic video looks like compared to the 3S. That's the 3S, but that's the difference in size right there. So it is a little bigger. It is a little bit heavier. Not by much though. Battery life is almost double on that. Also want your opinions. Transfer speeds between these two are night and day. This is about 5 to 10 times faster transfer. This is so slow. For my side by side, I'm just gonna stick them on my hat. This is semi-low light in my garage. I don't know if one of these cameras are angled, but sorry, it's the hat. The Nano does start faster than the 3S when I hit the buttons at the same time. Just by a fraction of a second though. This is really low light. How fast was the transition from dark to light? Vin Cheezel's got a mow today. Vin Cheezel's got a mow today. And in here, I can barely see with my own eyes. I am not going to be taking both cameras for the Fiero test, so you'll just have to remember my other Fiero rides. Look how much slower that is. That was the exact same comparable video that I just did in the garage. Trying to see if this does a better job than Insta360 as far as dash and all this. It's supposed to have better HDR, we'll see. Come on, Fiero. You've been sleeping too long. Do that stupid headliner. Yeah, we'll just do some contact cement just to hold it up.
Sun a week in this hellscape.
I wonder why it did that.
Brandon was surprised.
Wow, pollen. Holy cow. What's up, Mel? What you doing? Getting too hot? Sago too? Drone blade. I don't think anybody's living in that trailer. Old Whitey's old cabin. Remember when we saw all those bald eagles? All the work they did, that stonework. Yeah. The windows don't go though. Those black windows.
Somebody had some money to lay out then.
Skies look pretty blue. Must not be getting that Canadian smoke, huh? Someone's having a party over there on the ice bags.
It's a motorcycle gang.
Yeah. Brothers!
All by himself.
I was gonna get gas, but I'm not paying this price. $4.25 when everybody else is about $3.80. Even Wingdale, New York isn't that much. Well, this is always about 20 to 30 cents higher. You'd think they'd want to have it so people would want to stop there instead of avoid it. Drop the price 10 cents. Then you're, 20 cents higher. Hang on to it. Oh, you did it. You did it. Good job. Told you we'd be back, meow meow. Ran good. Well, what do you guys think? Way better than the 3S.
Want to see something really exciting?
Is that a Pontiac Fiero?
Impressive. I know.
No, that's not impressive.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.